Okay, sorry for the disconnectivity. We are back again, and respected principal, sir, you can kindly continue.
Let's wait. People are reconnecting themselves. Okay. Let's wait for a few seconds or minutes, we can say.
Students, all of you are requested to put on your videos, switch them on.
So welcome once again. Okay. So I was just telling that we must have some better alternatives, and we must have knowledge to what people are using or what people have created already as an alternative to the polythene. So I have searched something over the internet. Okay, let it get its the. Okay, what during the searching at this internet, I have come to this page here. The strategy distillery page is here, and they have given the 13 plastic packaging alternatives. And to my surprise, these are one of the most innovative methods that we can think of, and we can think beyond and ahead of these things also. So let's start the first one here, that they have used some plant-based plastics. So this image is showing that they have prepared the bottle not completely made up of plastic. It is made up of 50% of recycled plastic, and they have added 15% of plant material to that. And on the rest of that, they people are working. Company here, AK Bioplastic and our sources such as corn, and which is broken down into PLA, that is polylactic acid, and this is incredibly sustainable to produce, and it's made from waste product from the production of corn, which is also easy to grow, and PLA can be used to make drink bottles, various containers as well as fills. Eco Heroes Innocent are now making their bottles from 50% PLA. 50% that you have seen in this image here, the 50% plant-based material are using is PLA. So this is one of the most novelest method that we have come through. And can you imagine that they have taken corn here, corn as a source and as an alternative? So it is our beyond our thinking. The second thing, they have used mushroom roots. Mushroom, all of you know that it is a type of fungus that is edible, and it is one of the most costliest diet, and it is also rich in protein. So the mushroom root is consists of mycelium, and that mycelium is so hard that it can be used to make fibers out of that, and those fibers can be reconstituted together to form some another components here, and which can be used as a packing material for this year. So this mycelium already given here. Okay, with mycelium mushroom, that is funnily enough some same stuff that corn is made from, and packing is literally grown, and eco-active design is there. Then the next one is the baggage here. Baggage, do you know what is the meaning of baggage here? It is just a waste product of, you can say, the sugarcane industry. Okay, if once we have extracted the juice out of the sugarcane, and the remaining portion is known as baggage. And you can see these plates that are made up of baggage itself, and they have prepared from the sugarcane waste material here. So these are one of the most important. The next one is the seaweed water bubbles. We have created a seaweed water seaweed. We have taken a seaweed here, and in that we have filled water here, and this is edible water. You can see. So instead of just buying these plastic bottles, we can have these seaweed water bubbles here, and we can directly ingest it, and they are going to digest inside our stomach, and we will be having dehydrated again. And next is the sour friendly paper, and L'Oreal has already studied preparing its material. See, one of the most and uh, or we can say this detergent industry, shampoo, plastic industry is highly using plastics for their whatever product you can see there. And what you would observe that all are contained in some plastic here. So this one initiative is taken by this L'Oreal here, and they have prepared this a bottle here that is water resistant, and as well as eco-friendly here, instead of just using the plastic bottles here. And you can see that beauty behemoth L'Oreal have launched an eco beauty range, and that is known as seed phytonutrients. ठीक है, फाइटो मीन्स प्लांट्स न्यूट्रिएंट कि जो प्लांट से आते हैं, तो इन्होंने सीड से some nutrients have taken, and they have created an outer layer. You can see here that outer shell they have made with the help of the fiber they have obtained from the seed here, and the inner lining is made up of 60% less plastic than rigid plastic bottles, and it is less harmful as compared to what we are using nowadays. So if we have to use, we can purchase these also. We can have some open sources, or and instead of just using these hand wash we are using. See, since the beginning of this COVID-19, we have started using hand sanitizers. They comes in plastic. We have using hand wash. They come in plastic. So instead of just brought them to their home, to your home is use the soap. जो soap होता है उसे use कीजिए आप लोग. So it can reduce the plastic also. Then it is, and to my fast surprise, we can have stone paper now and plastic also. And I am just amazed to see this on this internet here. We can prepare paper from calcium carbonate also, and this is reprintable, reusable, and so many things are there in this paper. We can also make some plastic out of this calcium carbonate thing, and this is known as here. You can see the stone paper or plastic. You can see that, and this paper and plastic consist of calcium carbonate here. So I will share the link for you with you also. Just go through this indeed. The palm leaf is, this is one of the most or emerging industry nowadays. That instead of just using those plastic utensils in some marriage or any party functions, you can use these palm leaves here for soap, for eating food, for different things. And palm leaves are easily available or in areas like if you move towards this southern India. So we have a large number of plants there that are having these palm plants are there. So we can take their leaves and we can convert them in such type of things that you are seeing in this image here. And next thing is this corn starch and sorghum loose fill is also here. The loose fill is made of corn starch and can be used the same way as regular polystyrene loose fill. And the eco version, which can also be used from sorghum, a crop similar to popcorn, and is biodegradable, odor free, and may be best in all or static free. Means there will be no rupture here, no smell is there in this. And apart from that, this is edible 6-pack ring. Those were prepared, and this is mostly used for, you can see, for putting the cans of beer and some cold drink as well as different soft drinks. You can use this to prepare a pack of 6 here. So these are edibles, and you can see that Saltwater Brewery in America have developed a material from a 6-pack ring for their 6-pack ring, which is not only biodegradable and compostable, but also edible and made of barley and wheat remnants. Means the remaining part of barley and wheat is used to prepare such type of things. So whenever these waste go to the ocean, then fish are very happy to eat them out instead of just because whatever is going towards the ocean, the aquatic life is so curious to know that what actually is it. They are not trained like us that whether it is edible or not, eatable or not. So if we are just creating such type of waste here, so it must be edible and biodegradable itself, even if the fish are not going to eat this particular type of thing, which is made up of barley and wheat. So they are going to degrade themselves with the help of microorganisms. And next is this silver board and metallized paper is prepared. And if we study this, then it is developed as a sustainable alternative to traditional composite metallized paper and boards. That is, silver board is both recyclable and compostable. The paper weight can be used for food on the go and labeling. The card weight can be used with all kind of boxes. So this is it's shown in this image also. It's such type of these packings can be made, yeah, that are used as an alternative of plastics you can use. And these are compostable also. Compostable means with the help of some soil microbes, we can convert them into again reusable form or like convert them into the nutrients itself. Next is wood pulp, cellophane. From the wood pulp, we can produce the wood pulp consists of large number of cellulose in it, and those cellulose fibers can be used to make cellophane. And cellophane is you can say less toxic as compared to the plastics here. Then another thing that is for the best surprise that is creating to me also, that prawn cells plastic bag. Prawn जो होता है वो झींगा मछली बोली जाती है अगर in Hindi I can say that. And it is one of the most widely used eatable thing. Or after that, and whatever the edible part is present only inside them, and outer them is having a hard, you can say the shell made up of chitosan, yeah, or chitosan you can say. So these chitosan that is present outside this prawn can be used in making the bioplastic, and it is used in making such type of utensils you are seeing here, just like a beaker and just like a glass you are seeing here. Yeah? And the next one is the last one, and the most surprise thing is this is the milk plastic. Okay, we can see that the milk protein can also be used for making these milk plastic also, and it is one of the most alternative forms. So from this, what we can see that protein is one of the most potential source, and protein we can synthesize it with the help of microorganisms in very large quantity. It is going to make different fibers, and those fibers can be meant together to form so many things that are biodegradable, as well as strength also. You can see the strength of your hair. If you will start just blending them together, you can create something or a rope that is so much stronger as compared to other things. So these are some of the innovative methods here, and people are already doing it, and these are beyond our imaginations. Whatever you have just observed is beyond our imaginations, but we have to think over that and ahead of that. See, this is how we can eradicate a plastic from the earth here, and we can stop its use. See, the knowledge is the first priority here. If you have a knowledge that such type of thing can be used, now you are aware and you can use alternative things, because you are going to make them available for yourself and since each for us. And what we can do, that the students have already shared in their webinar, and the interesting things they have told already, that we have to carry the bag from our home itself, and so many things we can do. Not even if we are just create some alternative to them, we can use so many alternatives for ourselves here. Even if we have to buy some milk outside this from the shop, or you can dairy, just carry on that still in our bottles. So if this is how we can convert, and this is from me. Hope you will get, or you had get something from this. Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Fatima. Yes. Fatima, please unmute yourself first.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir, for sharing this very important information, these alternatives. It's really surprising the way the world is developing, making use of materials to reconstruct and recycling impact. So I think if we also understand these techniques and begin, if we start it now, there is still a whole lot of time. We can save our environment, gradually reduce the use of plastic, reduce the littering of plastic all around us. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, would you like to have a question and answer session with the students? Few questions will awaken them, and it will be given them some more information once more.
Yes, definitely. I can have some questions with them, but see, whatever question sense of these modern alternative that we can use here. Okay, the thing is that I am just motivating my students that uh, just keep motivating others to stop the polythene or to use or to reduce. You know, just not say to stop, to reduce the use of polythene and reduce the use of polythene yourself also. Okay, so this is just a message, and you are, some of you are waste warriors, and I had already told you that the congratulations to all, to those who have participated in waste warrior program also, and they are now certified waste warriors. So it's their responsibility now, if they are having some certificates with them. Okay, so just make them aware, and this is to all the students that all the best for your future, and just come with some innovative ideas on your own. Okay, and for that you have to do so many research. Okay, whatever you will do next time, just have a proper research for particular thing, and you can add a lot more to your knowledge. And in the end of my talk, what I do the right thing, and it is the innocence, or we can say that lack of knowledge is there. If we are lacking the knowledge, then it means that it is always misguiding to us. So just gain a good knowledge and be a source of knowledge, and then transfer it to the other, and they are definitely going to listen to you, instead or apart from that, whatever age you are having. So this is just message I had already cleared, and very well done everyone, and all the teachers also, that they are also going to motivate others, and I myself is also going to motivate. Okay, and we ourselves are just, see, whatever change we want to see in the whole world, it is start from ourselves. So let me begin with myself, that I am definitely, and I am pledging today, and you also have to pledge, that we have to reduce the use of the single use plastic, and we have to save our environment. This pledge you have to take. Okay, so with these words, thank you one more time.
Thank you very much, sir. Yes, I also pledge that from now on, not even today, from now on, I will always categorize all the waste I have in the house into organic waste, the inorganic waste, the recyclable materials. After doing that, I can easily make a compost bin of the organic waste, the plastic which is not biodegradable, which we cannot decompose easily. I will make eco bricks with that, and plastic bottles. I can recycle them, make out simple daily use containers, storage items, even flower pots. Doing this, I will reduce that waste being thrown into the streets or being thrown into the trash, which will later be harmful to the environment. So it's a request to everyone out here, try and start right away to handle this plastic problem in a stepwise manner. Promise yourself you will not throw plastic bags on the roads carelessly. If you come across animals grazing in the ground or on the by the roadside, if there are plastic bags there, please try and push them away, or carry those plastic bags with a stick. Use or wear a glove, do anything, but save that animal. Stop the animal from digesting the plastic bag. It will cause harm to the animal, and easily in the end it causes death. If there is any water body close to where you are residing, try and avoid littering that water body. If you see plastic bottles and bags and the packets of chips near that water, try and push them away. Get them burnt or dispose them in a place that will not affect the aquatic animals. Fishes are dying. In countries where there are turtles, those turtles are also dying. The reason of the death is simply those aquatic life digesting plastic bags, microbeads, microplastics. Let us today pledge and really work towards saving our earth from plastic bag. So once more, happy International Plastic Free Bag Day. And I appreciate and thank the presence of our seniors. Our principal, sir, thank you very much for gracing the event. And well done to my students that have prepared and presented in this less time. So once more, I appreciate everyone here. And with this, I will end the webinar. Thank you very much.
Thank you.